Bosch washing machine. E18 error. How to fix it? Hey everyone, if your Bosch washing machine is showing the E18 error code, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. The E18 error means there's a problem with water drainage, often caused by a blocked pump or a kinked or clogged drain hose. You'll see this error on the display, and your washing machine may stop draining properly. But don't panic. I'll guide you through the steps to fix it. Step 1. Check the drain hose. A Bosch washing machine. E18 error can often be caused by a blocked or bent drain hose. Here's what you should do. First, turn off your washing machine and unplug it for safety. Locate the drain hose at the back of the machine and check if it's twisted, bent, or clogged. If the hose is kinked, straighten it out. Disconnect it from the siphon and drain any leftover water. Be careful, it might be hot. Clean the drain hose and siphon spigot, then reconnect everything securely. Finally, run the drain program to check if the error has cleared. Step 2. Check and clean the pump. If your Bosch washing machine E18 error is still showing, the problem might be a blocked pump. Here's how to fix it. Make sure the washing machine is turned off and unplugged. Open the service flap at the bottom of the washing machine. Slowly remove the pump cover. Have a towel ready as water may leak out. Check the pump for blockages like lint, small objects, or dirt. Make sure the pump impeller spins freely. Reinsert the pump cover and tighten it securely. Pour about 1 liter, or a quart, of water into the detergent drawer to check for leaks. Run the drain program to see if the issue is resolved. Final tips to prevent Bosch washing machine E18 error. Once you fix the issue, you'll want to prevent the E18 error from happening again. Here are a few tips. Clean the pump filter regularly to prevent buildup. Inspect the drain hose every few months to make sure it's not bent or clogged. Avoid washing clothes with loose objects like coins or tissues that could clog the system. If the Bosch washing machine E18 error keeps appearing, there might be a deeper issue and you may need to contact a professional. But in most cases, following these steps will solve the problem quickly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.